Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're going to explore active voice, one of the most important concepts in English grammar.
Understanding active voice helps you write clearly and speak naturally.
Most English sentences use active voice.
It makes your communication direct and powerful.
By the end of this episode, you'll completely understand active voice.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what voice means in grammar.
In English, there are two voices, active and passive.
Voice shows the relationship between the subject and the action.
Active voice. The subject does the action.
The subject is the doer, the one doing something.
Structure. Subject plus verb plus object.
Example, the cat, subject, ate, verb, the fish, object.
The cat is doing the action. It's eating.
This is active voice.
More examples.
I wrote a letter. I am doing the writing. Active.
She drives a car. She is doing the driving. Active.
They built a house. They are doing the building. Active.
In all these sentences, the subject performs the action.
Why is active voice important?
Reason 1, it's clear and direct.
You know immediately who is doing what.
John broke the window. Clear. John did it.
Reason 2, it's natural and conversational.
Most everyday speech uses active voice.
I bought coffee. She called me. They won the game.
This is how people naturally speak.
Reason 3, it's more engaging and powerful.
Active voice makes writing stronger.
The team achieved success. Strong, active.
Better than success was achieved by the team. Weak, passive.
Reason 4, it uses fewer words.
Active voice is more concise.
Active, the dog bit the man. 6 words.
Passive, the man was bitten by the dog. 7 words.
Shorter and clearer.
Let's learn to identify active voice.
Ask yourself 3 questions.
Question 1. Who or what is doing the action?
If the subject is doing it, active.
The chef cooked the meal. Chef is doing, active.
Question 2, does the sentence follow the pattern subject plus verb plus object?
If yes, probably active.
Students study grammar. Subject plus verb plus object. Active.
Question 3. Is the verb in simple form, not be plus past participle?
He writes. Active. Versus it is written. Passive.
These questions help you identify active voice.
Let's look at examples in different tenses.
Present simple active.
I eat breakfast. She teaches English. They play soccer.
Subject performs action regularly.
Past simple active.
I ate breakfast. She taught English. They played soccer.
Subject performed action in the past.
Future simple active.
I will eat breakfast. She will teach English. They will play soccer.
Subject will perform action in the future.
Present continuous active.
I am eating breakfast. She is teaching English. They are playing soccer.
Subject is performing action right now.
Present perfect active.
I have eaten breakfast. She has taught English. They have played soccer.
Subject has performed action.
Active voice works with all tenses.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, how was your weekend?
Great. I went hiking on Saturday.
Nice. Where did you go?
I climbed Mount Wilson. The view amazed me.
Who went with you?
My friend Sarah joined me. She took lots of photos.
Did you see any wildlife?
Yes, we spotted 3 deer. They ran into the forest.
That sounds wonderful. What did you do on Sunday?
I relaxed at home. I watched a movie and cooked dinner.
Did you notice all the active voice?
I went hiking. I did the action.
I climbed Mount Wilson. I did the climbing.
The view amazed me. The view did the amazing.
My friend Sarah joined me. Sarah did the joining.
She took lots of photos. She did the taking.
We spotted 3 deer. We did the spotting.
They ran into the forest. They did the running.
I relaxed. I watched. I cooked. All active.
Every sentence has a subject performing an action.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Confusing active and passive.
Active, the teacher explains the lesson. Teacher acts.
Passive. The lesson is explained by the teacher. Lesson receives.
Know which is lech.
Mistake 2. Using weak verbs in active voice.
Weak, the report was made by me. Actually passive.
Strong. I made the report. Active.
Use simple, strong verbs.
Mistake 3. Making the sentence too complex.
Complex. The cake that was baked by my mother tasted good.
Simple active. My mother baked the cake. It tasted good.
Keep it simple and clear.
Mistake 4. Forgetting the subject.
Incomplete. Wrote the book. Who wrote it?
Complete. She wrote the book. Clear subject.
Always include the subject.
How to use active voice effectively.
Tip 1. Put the doer first.
Start with who or what is doing the action.
The company launched a new product. Company first.
Tip 2. Use strong action verbs.
The athlete won the race. Strong verb. Won.
The storm destroyed the building. Strong verb, destroyed.
Action verbs make sentences powerful.
Tip 3. Be specific about who's doing what.
Vague. Mistakes were made. By whom?
Specific. The team made mistakes. Clear who.
Specificity adds clarity.
Tip 4. Keep sentences concise.
Wordy. The decision was made by the committee.
Concise. The committee decided. Shorter. Clearer.
Active voice naturally makes things shorter.
Real-life situations using active voice.
In storytelling.
Once upon a time, a princess lived in a castle. She met a prince. They fell in love.
All active makes the story come alive.
In news writing.
The president announced new policies. Congress approved the budget. Citizens celebrated the decision.
Active voice makes news direct and clear.
In everyday conversation.
I love this restaurant. My friend recommended it. The chef prepares amazing dishes.
Natural conversation uses active voice.
In professional writing.
Our team completed the project. We delivered results on time. The client appreciated our work.
Professional and clear.
Active voice in different sentence types.
In statements.
The sun shines brightly. Birds sing in the morning. Children play in the park.
Simple statements with clear subjects.
In questions.
Did you finish the homework? Does she like pizza? Will they attend the meeting?
Questions can be active too.
In commands.
Close the door. Write your name. Turn off the lights.
Commands are active. You're telling someone to do something.
In negatives.
I don't like vegetables. She didn't see the movie. They won't come tomorrow.
Negative sentences can be active.
Comparing active versus passive.
This helps you understand active voice better.
Active. The dog chased the cat. Dog does the action.
Passive. The cat was chased by the dog. Cat receives action.
Active. Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. Shakespeare does.
Passive. Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. Hamlet receives.
Active. The company hired 50 employees. Company does.
Passive. 50 employees were hired by the company. Employees receive.
See the pattern? Active equals subject acts. Passive equals subject receives.
When to definitely use active voice.
Use active when you want to be clear about who did something.
John won the award. Clear, John did it.
Use active in creative writing to make it engaging.
The hero defeated the villain. Exciting.
Use active in business communication for directness.
We increased sales by 20%. Clear achievement.
Use active in daily conversation because it's natural.
I saw a great movie yesterday. Natural.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences in active voice about your daily routine.
Day 2. Read a paragraph and identify all active voice sentences.
Day 3. Convert 5 passive sentences to active voice.
Day 4. Tell a story using only active voice.
Day 5. Notice active voice in movies or TV shows.
Day 6. Write an email or message using active voice.
Day 7. Practice explaining active voice to someone else.
By week's end, active voice will feel natural.
Common active voice patterns.
Pattern 1. Person plus action plus thing.
Sarah bakes cookies. Tom reads books. Maria plays piano.
Pattern 2. Animal plus action.
The bird flies. Cats meow. Dogs bark.
Pattern 3. Group plus action plus result.
The team won the championship. Students passed the test. Workers completed the project.
Pattern 4. Thing plus action plus thing.
The sun melts ice. Rain fills rivers. Wind moves clouds.
Recognizing patterns helps you use active voice naturally.
Benefits of mastering active voice.
Benefit 1. Your writing becomes clearer.
Readers understand you immediately.
Benefit 2. Your speaking becomes more confident.
Active voice sounds assured and direct.
Benefit 3. You use fewer words.
Say more with less.
Benefit 4. Your communication becomes more engaging.
People pay attention to clear, active statements.
Benefit 5. You avoid confusion.
Everyone knows who did what.
Active voice in professional contexts.
In resumes.
Managed a team of 10. Increased revenue by 30%. Developed new software.
All active shows you did these things.
In reports.
The data shows improvement. Results confirm our hypothesis. Findings support the theory.
Clear and professional.
In presentations.
Today I will explain. Our company creates. This product solves.
Direct and engaging.
Practice identifying the subject.
The subject is key to active voice.
The children play outside. Subject. Children.
My brother drives a truck. Subject, my brother.
The flowers bloom in spring. Subject. Flowers.
Scientists discovered a new planet. Subject, scientists.
Always identify who or what is doing the action.
More detailed examples by topic.
Sports and activities.
The player scored a goal. Athletes train daily. The team practices hard.
All showing who performs the action.
Cooking and food.
The chef prepared the meal. I baked cookies. She chopped vegetables.
Clear who does the cooking.
Technology and computers.
The programmer wrote the code. Users download the app. The computer processes data.
Subject performs tech actions.
Nature and weather.
Rain falls from the sky. Trees provide oxygen. The sun warms the earth.
Natural subjects doing natural actions.
Understanding transitive versus intransitive verbs.
Active voice works with both types.
Transitive verbs need an object. She reads a book. Reads what? A book. Object.
He kicked the ball. Kicked what? The ball. Object.
Intransitive verbs don't need objects. The baby sleeps. No object needed.
Birds fly. No object needed.
Both are active voice. Subject still acts.
Active voice with compound subjects.
Multiple subjects doing the action.
John and Mary study together. Both subjects act.
The dog and cat play in the yard. Both subjects act.
My friends and I went to the beach. All subjects act.
Multiple subjects still create active voice.
Active voice with compound verbs.
One subject, multiple actions.
She runs and jumps. She does both actions.
I cooked and cleaned. I did both.
They sang and danced. They did both.
Still active. Subject performs all actions.
Strengthening your active voice.
Replace weak to be verbs with action verbs.
Weak, the meeting is about the budget.
Strong, the meeting discusses the budget.
Weak, the book is a bestseller.
Better, the book became a bestseller. More active.
Action verbs create stronger sentences.
Be specific with your subjects.
Vague, people say.
Specific, experts say, or scientists say.
Specific subjects add credibility.
Use vivid action verbs.
Bland, he went to the store.
Vivid, he rushed to the store, or he strolled to the store.
Vivid verbs create better images.
Common verbs in active voice.
Action verbs for movement.
Run, walk, jump, climb, swim, drive, fly.
Action verbs for communication.
Say, tell, speak, write, announce, explain, describe.
Action verbs for creation.
Make, build, create, design, produce, work.
Action verbs for mental actions.
Think, know, understand, believe, remember, learn.
Action verbs for perception.
See, hear, feel, taste, smell, watch, notice.
These verbs naturally create active voice.
Active voice in academic writing.
Describe research.
Researchers conducted experiments. The study examined effects. Data supports the hypothesis.
Present findings.
Results show improvement. Evidence suggests correlation. Findings indicate patterns.
Clear and authoritative.
Quick review. Active voice equals subject performs the action.
Structure, subject, plus verb, plus object.
The subject is the doer.
Active voice is clear, direct, and natural.
It's used in most everyday sentences.
It makes writing stronger and more concise.
It works with all tenses.
Use strong action verbs.
Put the doer first in the sentence.
Keep sentences simple and clear.
Always include the subject.
You now understand active voice completely.
This is one of the foundations of good English communication.
Master this, and your English sounds more natural and professional.
Practice using active voice every day.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment in active voice. I learned blank. Tell us what you learned.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.